Alright, here we go. I sanded this buckthorn one that I was working on, sanded it all down, and it's pretty much all ready to go. I saved you the having to watch me sand it. So now I'm just going to hit it with some lubrication. Either Danish oil or boiled linseed. Thinking we do linseed here. Pretty nice. Alright, I think that one's done for the most part. I might thinking about putting a maybe a leather handle up here, leather strap or something. But yeah, that's that one done pretty much. And the next one is going to be this monster chunk of buckthorn. So that'll be fun. Anyways, stay tuned. Have a good day. So long.